Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to change the font style on your Galaxy Z Flip 5 smartphone. This is a great way to personalize your phone and make it truly yours. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to launch the Settings app. You can do this by tapping on the gear icon from your home or app screen. Next, tap on Display. This will take you to the display settings of your phone. In the display settings, you'll find an option called Font Size and Style. Go ahead and tap on it. Now, you'll see an option for Font Style. Simply tap on it and you'll see a list of available fonts. You can choose any font that suits your style. Simply tap to mark and set your preferred font. A preview appears each time you make a selection. If you don't like the selected font, just repeat the same steps to a different font style. And there you have it! A simple way to change the font style on your Galaxy Z Flip 5. Remember, personalizing your device can make it more enjoyable to use and truly reflect your style. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips.